Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here at my home garage doing another quick little update on my Model T hot rod project. So if you guys aren't familiar, we've been doing quick little updates and tech tips throughout the project for about a year now, and you guys can check them on our YouTube channel. What we're working on today is actually sealing up and spraying the chassis so I can start assembling everything back together. Now this frame is something that I custom made. I started out with a pair of 1946 to 48 Ford frame rails that I shortened, and then we put a set of original Model A Ford front and rear cross members in it. That means I was using original parts that did have some pitting, did have some rust on it, and I want to show you guys the process for preparing the frame, for spraying Rust Encapsulator Platinum, and then also spraying some 2K Ceramic Chassis Black. We're going to be spraying all of this out of the Eastwood LT100 paint gun, so you guys can see the whole entire process if you're looking to do this yourself. So let's get started. Alright, so after a couple of days of letting the paint dry, the chassis black's all good to go. I can handle the frame, and we can now take it off of the rolling paint racks and put it on some jack stands, getting ready to assemble everything. Now before I start assembling, I do need to do the same exact process to all of the brake parts, all of the suspension parts, and everything else that I want to match in the Satin Chassis Black. So I need to strip them in the same fashion, spray the Rust Encapsulator Platinum, and then seal up with the Chassis Black. And then I will have all these parts that are a nice muted satin finish, which is what I'm going for on this car. So hopefully this shows you guys the process and how easy that you guys can do this yourself at home. If you have any interest in the products that you saw in this video, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right. Thanks guys.